Hello, how are you? Yeah, subscribe and then share for everyone to see this video. This monkey has really gone viral on any social media. This monkey is called Punch, and it was got from a certain family to the fellow monkeys. But look what happened. Punch looked really nice, and the other fellow monkeys were not happy to see Punch who was in a good condition. So Punch felt so bad. It's like we people. He felt denied. Punch felt denied. So we're calling upon God to come back into life.